हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हमने घटना चक्र की PYQs हिस्ट्री की सीरीज़ को पढ़ रहे थे। लगभग इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के क्वेश्चंस लगभग हमने 83 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर लिए थे। अब 83 क्वेश्चंस के बाद आगे के क्वेश्चंस पढ़ते हैं। वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग साइट्स फ्रॉम वेयर द फेमस बुल सील्स ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वाज फाउंड। मोहनजोदारो। Mohenjo-daro is a archaeological site in the province of Sindh, Pakistan, excavated by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. From the site's various sculptures, seals, pottery, gold, and jewelry have been found, but the most famous amongst them is humped bull seals. Question 84. The shape of which trees is found in the seal of the Indus Valley civilizations? People. Most of the seals discovered from the Indus Valley civilizations were made of statites. A few of them were also made of terracotta, agate, chert, etc. Most of seals were square in shapes, but few were in cubes, circles, and cylindrical shapes too. People tree is represented number of times of Indus seals depicting the peoples had important sacred value of Indus peoples. Question 85. Which one of the following animals is not depicted on the Harappan seals? Horse. Peoples of Harappan civilization were known to horse, but no pieces of evidence has been found on the seals. A great majority of seals found in Indus Valley civilizations carry short inscriptions with figure of one-horned animals. Most common: the buffaloes, the tigers, the rhinoceros, the goat, and the elephants. Remains. Question 86. Remain of which animals have been discovered in Indus Valley civilizations? Lions. Among the given options, the evidence of cow and elephants have been found, and there are some depict regarding horse, but latest excavations has revealed the evidence of horse. The evidence of lions from the excavation of Harappan civilizations has not mentioned in anywhere. Hence, options A is correct answer. The remains of the animals which have not been discovered in the Indus Valley civilizations. तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में किस एनिमल्स का रिमेन्स नहीं पाया गया था? तो वो लॉयन का नहीं पाया गया था। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनिमल्स वॉज नॉट नोन टू द पीपल्स ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस? तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस में पीपल किसके बारे में नहीं जानते थे? बुल के बारे में नहीं जानते, एलिफेंट के बारे में, क्या हॉर्स के बारे में, या नन ऑफ देम? लगभग जानते तो सबके बारे में, तो हॉर्स के बारे में भी जानते थे, बुल के बारे में जानते थे। तो ऑप्शन इज टी इज करेक्ट। अमंग द गिवन ऑप्शंस एविडेंस ऑफ बुल एंड एलिफेंट्स हैव बीन फाउंड. Seals of Zebu bulls have been found. Seals depicting elephants has also been found. There is some disputes regarding horses, but latest excavation has revealed the evidence of horses. Horses did not play many major roles during the Indus Valley civilizations. PPSC has accepted option B as a correct. ऑप्शन डी को बिहार पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन ने माना है कि हॉर्स नहीं पाया जाता है। अगर ऑप्शन रहेगा हॉर्स का और नन ऑफ द एबव नहीं रहेगा तो आप चुन सकते हैं इसको हॉर्स। वो अब एग्ज़ाम हॉल में आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि करना क्या है, इसका आंसर क्या सही रहेगा। 88. According to the report of IIT Kharagpur studies, group continuous slow rainfalls for how many years was causes of fall of Indus Valley civilizations? Option D, 900 years. According to the reports of IIT Kharagpur, the continuous slow and negligible rainfall for 900 years was the cause of fall of the Indus Valley civilizations. In other words, it can said it can be said that continuous drought for 900 years led the fall of Indus Valley civilizations. A one-horned deity engraved on terracotta cake has been recovered from Banavali, Kalibangam, Lothal, Sukhothada. Question B. Kalibangans. From the excavation at Kalibangam, a series of fire altars on mud bricks platforms were discovered. A triangular terracotta cakes found at the Kalibangam had a carvings of one horned deity on one side and an animal horse being dragged by ropes by humans on the other. This shows the way emergence of sacrificial tradition in the entire era. Show one horned deity engraved terracotta cake has been recovered from तो कालीबंगन से हमें मिलता है. और क्वेश्चन 19, which of the following civilizations flourished on the bank of river Nile? तो Egyptian civilizations. Ancient Egyptian civilization flourished along the bank of the river Nile for almost 3000 years. Nile River is known as lifeline of Egypt. The Nile is major north-flowing rivers in the northeastern Africa, generally regarded as the longest river in the world. The Indus Valley civilizations and Mesopotamian civilization Iraq were contemporary. So friends, लाइफलाइन तो नाइल रिवर को इजिप्ट की कहा जाता है और ये नॉर्थ फ्लोइंग्स होती है. और इंडिया की इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन और इराक की मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशंस, ये दोनों समान है, सेम टाइम की है, कंटेम्पररी है. व्हाट इज़ द करेक्ट नॉर्थ टू साउथ सीक्वेंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिविलाइजेशन? माया, आस्टेक, मुशिका, इनका. माया, मुशिका, इनका, आस्टेक. आस्टेक, मुशिका, माया, इनका. Aztec, Maya, Muisca, Inca. So option D is correct. The correct sequence of the following civilizations from the north to south: Aztec, Maya, Muisca, Inca. The explanation of the Aztec civilization was on the northern part of Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica includes the regions from the central Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, and northern Costa Rica's Mayan civilization was spread over the southern part of Mesoamerica's Morisco civilization was distributed in the eastern part of Colombia's South America continents, whereas Inca civilization is spread the western part of Southern America till the north, Quito, Santiago to the north to the south. The first ancient civilizations to develop the art of writing in the proper systems was Sumerian civilization. पहली civilization थी जिसने आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग इन अ प्रॉपर सिस्टम, जो लिखने की कला थी वो एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम में की. तो वो कौन थी? वो सुमेरियन सिविलाइजेशन. पीपल ऑफ सुमेरियन सिविलाइजेशन वर द फर्स्ट टू डेवलप द आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग्स इन अ प्रॉपर systems. Their primary scripts was very simple and primitive. Cuneiform scripts of Sumerians is generally known as the earliest systems of writings. So friends, 90 क्वेश्चंस जो थे हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए और इसी के साथ सारा इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशंस के जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे वो हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए। अब नेक्स्ट है वैदिक एज। वैदिक एज को पढ़ते हैं। पहले उसके थोड़े से कॉन्सेप्ट देख लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद से उसके PYQs को करेंगे। वैदिक एज। वैदिक एज के बाद बुद्धिज़्म है। इसमें लगभग 105 क्वेश्चंस हैं वैदिक एज में, जो थोड़ा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकता है। क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसको पढ़ते हैं जरूर। Vedic age. The word Vedic is derived from Sanskrit word Veda, which means knowledge. The civilizations that developed in India's after Indus Valley civilization is called Vedic or Aryan civilizations. Aryans means great or high boss. In classic Sanskrit, the words Aryan means the noble man. The history of Aryans is mainly known from the Vedas. Generally, Aryans are said to be the authors of Vedas. There is a difference of opinions on the place of the origin of Aryans. Prominent historians have a different theories on the homeland of Aryans. तो कश्मीर और हिमालयन रीजन किसी स्कॉलर ने कहा कि यहाँ पे ये उनका होमलैंड है, तो LD काला ने। ब्रह्मर्षि देश P. गंगानाथ झा, 7 इंडस स्टेट, डॉक्टर अविनाश चंद्र दास, देविका स्टेट, DS त्रिवेदी, साउदर्न रशिया गॉर्डन चिल्ड, सेंट्रल एशिया मैक्स मुलर, नॉर्थ पोल्स पंडित बाल गंगाधर तिलक, तिब्बत स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, वैली ऑफ Danube rivers Gales, Germany, Hart and Pennecke. Vedic age is divided into two parts: Rig Vedic or pre-Vedic age. Rig Vedic or pre-Vedic age 1500 to 1000 BC and later Vedic age 1000 to 600 BC. तो दो पार्ट में वैदिक एज को डिवाइड किया गया है। पहला एक ऋग वैदिक, या तो उसको प्री वैदिक भी कह सकते हैं, फिर उसके बाद लेटर वैदिक। ईच ऑफ द वेदास इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 पार्ट्स। सारे वेदास 4 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है। द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस इज संहितास, ब्राह्मणास, आर्यंकास एंड उपनिषद्स। तो संहितास, brahmanas, arankas and Upanishads. Samhitas and brahmanas are Karmakanda segment. Samhitas, brahmanas are Karmakanda segments, and Arankas and Upanishads from the Gyan Kanda. कर्मकांडा को हम संहितास एंड ब्रह्मणास को कर्मकांडा कहेंगे और अरंकास एंड उपनिषद को ज्ञान कांडा कहेंगे। Segments of the Vedas. They explicit focus on philosophy and spirituality. The history of Rig Vedas, Rig age is known as from the Rig Vedas. It is the oldest known book in the world, but the scholars have dispute over the author and the period of the compositions. Iron is not mentioned in Rig Vedas, but found in the later Vedic. तो फाउंड इन लेटर वैदिक। Four rivers of Afghanistan, namely Krumu, Kubha, Gomti, Suvastu. Krumu, Kubha, Gomti and Suvastu are mentioned in the Rig Veda. It also mentions 7 rivers of the Saptasindhus, state land of 7 rivers. There are Saraswati, Vipasa, Parshuni, Vitasa, Sindhu, Indus, Studri, Askini. Rivers Yamuna and Gangas are mentioned in Rigvedas 3 and 1 times respectively. The rivers of Kashmir's Marud is also mentioned. Rivers Indus is mentioned for the most number of the times, while river Saraswati was the most sacred river, which is known as Mate Tama, best of all mothers; Devi Tama, best of all goddess; Nandi Tama, best of all rivers; Mate Tama, best of all mothers; Devi Tama, best of all goddess; Nandi Tama, best of all rivers; Nadi Tama. Indus is called Hiranyai for its importance and its fall in Arabian Sea. Ganga, Yamuna, Doab and its joining areas were also Abramharshi Desh of by Aryans. They gave the name Madhya Desh to the area of between the Himalaya and Vindhya mountain range. Later Aryan expanded themselves to the whole North India and the areas come to be known as Aryavat. और ऋग्वैदिक एज में कुछ एंशियंट नेम्स थे, उसको हम पढ़ लेते हैं. अस्किनी, चेनाब, विपासा, व्यास, पारुशुनी, रवि, वितासा, झेलम, कुभा, काबुल, कुर्मुक, कुर्रम, गोमती, गोमत, सुवास्तु, स्वात, सन्नीरा, गंडक, सुतुद्री, सतलुज, दृष्णवती, खाकर. तो ये एंशियंट नेम और मॉडर्न नेम आज के क्या क्या हैं जो ऋग्वैदिक एज में रिवर्स थी, उनके क्या नाम थे एंशियंट नेम, और मॉडर्न नेम क्या है. Vedic literature is also called Shruti. The Vedas are most ancient literature in India. There are 4 Vedas: Rig Vedas, Sam Vedas, Yajur Vedas and Atharva Vedas. Rig Vedas, Yajur Vedas and Sam Vedas all also called Vedatraya. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda or Sam Veda are also called Vedatraya or Traya. Each Vedas have 4 parts: Samhita, Brahma, Aryanka, Upanishad. Rig Vedas has 10 mandals, 1028 suktas and 10,552 verses. 10 mandals, 1028 Vedas suktas, 10 mandals, 1028 suktas and 10,552 rechas. 2 to 7 mandals of Rig Vedas are also most ancient. ऋग वैदिक मंडल्स एंड देयर राइटर्स. तो हम ऋग्वैदिक मंडल्स और राइटर्स को पढ़ लेते हैं. फर्स्ट मंडल किसने राइट किया था? मेघातीथ्य, मुद्दा चंदा एक्सेट्रा. सेकंड गृहसामदा. थर्ड विश्वामित्र. तो थर्ड मंडल विश्वामित्र ने लिखा था. फर्स्ट मुद्दा चंदा, मेघातिथि एक्सेट्रा. सेकेंड गृहसामदा. थर्ड विश्वामित्र. फोर्थ वामदेवा. फिफ्थ अत्रि. 6 भारद्वाज. 7 वशिष्ठा. 8 कन्वा या अंगिरास. 9th Angiras and many others. 10th Vimda, Indra, Sachi and many others. Gayatri Mantra is mentioned in the third mandal. It is written by Vishwamitra. It is dedicated to Lord Savitra Surya. All 144 hymns in the ninth mandals are dedicated Surya. All 140 all 114 hymns in the ninth mandals are dedicated to Soma. Three Varnas are discovered in the beginning of the beginning, namely Brahma, Kshatriya, Vaishya. The Varna Sudras is mentioned for the first times in the Purush Suktas of 10 mandals. The Varna Sudras is mentioned in the first times of Purush Suktas of 10 mandals. The priests of Rig Vedas were called Hota, Atarya, and Kausitiki are two Brahmans of the Rig Vedas. The priests of the Rig Vedas called Hota and Atarya and Kausitiki are two Brahmans of the Rig Vedas. According to the Patanjalis, there are 21 branches of the Rig Vedas. Yajurvedas is Sanskrit means wisdom of sacrificial formula. Sacrificial formulas. The Vedas compiles a centuries of two after the Rig Vedas contain prose and verses formulas that verse to be pronounced by the priest performing the mutual part of sacrifice. It describes it prose about the procedural details of performing different rituals, and yajnas used the hymns of Rig Vedas. The Samhitas of the Yajurvedas is also called performing different rituals and yajanas using the hymns of the Rig Vedas. The Samhitas of Yajurvedas is divided into two parts: Sukla, white Yajur, and Krishna, black Yajurvedas. Yajurvedas has separate Brahman texts written by Satapatha Brahmans. Vajnash is the Samhitas of Sukla Yajurvedas. Sukla Yajurvedas is available only in the poetic forms, where Krishna Yajurvedas contains both poetic as well as prose form. The Satpatas Brahmanas is a prose text describing the Vedic rituals, history, and mythological associated with the Yajurvedas in the context of the ancient Indian Vedic literature. Satpatas Brahmanas has been placed just after Rig Vedas. It also describes social subjects including virtuals. Satpatas Brahmanas has been placed just after the Rig Vedas. It also describes the subject including Vedic rituals. Purush Vedas has been mentioned in Satpata Brahmanas. The Satpata Brahmanas narrate the stories of King Videga Madhavas, the king of Vidya. According by priest his Rishi Gautama, Raghu Anas king was carrying fire in his month, which one of indications of his guru fell out of his mouth and buried the east burned the earth toward in the east. Samveda is assorted among the all four Vedas. It's closely connected with the Rig Vedas. It has taken many verses of the Rig Vedas. Samvedas is compiled for the rituals application All verses and were are meant to be published. The Samvedas is sorted among all four Vedas. It is closely connected with the Rig Vedas. It has taken many verses from the Rig Vedas. Samvedas is compiled ritual applications and fall becomes ceremonies. Except Samvedas. Some Vedas Samhitas consist total 1875 verses. Among these, expect 75 to or 99 are compiled in Rig Vedas. So friends, वीडियो लगभग 25 मिनट्स की होगी है, इसको अभी हम यहीं पे स्टॉप करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसको यहीं से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. So friend, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channels, and please share the channels for those who need to for PIQs of history. Thank you.